Have you ever wondered what stories are hidden in UDONTHANI? A city once known by many as just a border town is now transforming into a gateway to the future. Rich in heritage and beauty, and the best place to begin your journey into UDONTHANI is right here, UDONTHANI City Museum. In the heart of UDONTHANI stands the City Museum. Inside a beautifully restored former provincial girls' school. It tells the story of the city from the Banxiang era and the Lanshan Kingdom to the Cold War and today, with modern, easy-to-follow exhibit for all ages. Open Tuesday to Sunday at 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. and admission is free. If you want to gain a deep understanding of UDONTHANI in a short time, this museum is truly the starting point that connects the past to sustainable growth in the future. The most impressive part of visiting here is the effort to connect the past with the future. The story of people, places, culture, plans, and way of life are linked across every era, reflecting the vision of the world-class International Horticultural Expo 2026 in a truly meaningful way. Under the theme Diversity of Life, connecting people, water, and plants for sustainable living, UDONTHANI will host the International Horticultural Expo 2026 from November the 1st, 2026 till March the 14th, 2027. The event will take place at Nong Da Wetland. The first time in the world that such an expo is held in a wetland ecosystem. At the International Horticultural Expo 2026 in UDONTHANI, you will discover 6 spectacular exhibition zones, global exchanges in agriculture and technology, precision farming innovation, a new opportunity for trade and investment across the greater Mekong sub-region, all in a land that connects the past, present, and future. With the upcoming Northeastern High-Speed Rail linking Bangkok, Nong Thai, Vientiane, and Kunming, UDONTHANI is set to become a key hub for tourism, culture, and knowledge exchange in the greater Mekong sub-region. UDONTHANI City Museum is more than just a tourist attraction. It serves as a gateway to understanding the city's deep-rooted heritage, cultural diversity, and path of development. If you seek to understand the true identity of UDONTHANI, this is where the story begins. See you in UDONTHANI, the city of heritage and hope, at the International Horticultural Expo 2026, tracing the footsteps of time toward a future of diversity. UDONTHANI bridge past and future through sustainable development.